Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about cut order. Let's say you need to make 50 of these washers type deal, and you definitely want the inside hole cut out first. So for the video, and well, even this is the way I would do it, I would turn it black so we know. Now it'll still cut because it's a hairline. But let's look at it under Windows, Docker's Object Manager, and open up this layer. It is going to cut the black one first. In the print driver, and I'm not 100% sure, but in an epilogue, it's going to start at the bottom and work up. So let's see what happens now. We've made it, and we duplicate it, Control D, and we move it over to the next point. Look what happens now. It's cutting the inside of both of them first and then going back. And that would be okay, but let's see how big that is. Let's say 5 inches. Let's nudge over 5 inches, Control D, and make a bunch of them. It's going to go and cut all these black circles out first, and then it's going to go back to the start and cut the outside circle. Now that's perfectly fine, but you're wasting laser time because it's having to go all the way down this line and then back. The best scenario would be to have them cut both pieces. So we've still got our ellipse, but this time we're going to group it together, Control G. We're going to make a duplicate, Control D, and move it over several times. Now look what happens. Let's ungroup everything. You don't have to do this. Go to Arrange and ungroup all objects. It's cutting that black one out, and then it's going to cut the outer part. It's going to go in order because you grouped it together. So it's going to be a little more efficiently cutting, because once it gets, if the laser tip is my pointer, once it gets through cutting, it's only have to go to here instead of having to go all the way over here. So it's just less time. And if you were doing a whole page of these, it would amount to quite a bit of time. So think about doing that the next time you're drawing parts and duplicating parts. Get them in the order you want, and then group them together and then duplicate them. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.